Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited today because I'm doing a giveaway. Yay! That's right, a chance for you to win a fantastic prize. I've been wanting to give back to my amazing viewers, and I think you're going to love this one. Up for grabs is this incredible Do Craft Paper Mania Butterfly Dreams Card Making Compendium. I know, it's a mouthful. It's also absolutely packed with over 800 pieces of crafty goodness. We're talking pattern papers, card blanks, embellishments, stickers, and so much more. If you love card making, or if you're looking to start, or if you just want a bunch of butterfly ephemera, then you're going to need this. Now this has a plastic covering over it. I really don't want to take it off because it's going to help with shipping. But as you can see, you have 36 cards that you can make with this. And you've got all of the decorative elements, stickers and all. And when you flip it on this side, look at that beautiful box that it comes in. You know, the lid is clear. This is what the other side of the box looks like. And these are your patterned pages. They're gorgeous. And then you have all of this that comes with it. The whole set. It has so much stuff in it. You can mix and match the butterflies and layer with the 3D toppers. It has so many beautiful elements to it. And when I bought this from Spectrum Art Creations, I bought it specifically for gifting back to my community. So I'm really excited to be able to offer this as a giveaway prize. So let's get to 300 subscribers. Now you are asking yourself, how do you enter? Well, it's really easy. First, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Second, give this video a thumbs up. Third, leave a comment below saying butterfly dreams and tell me why you want this. And lastly, for an extra entry, you can share this video on your social media and be sure to tag me so that I can count your extra entry. Now the giveaway will run for 2 weeks, and I'll announce the winner in a video on March 24th at 10 a.m. Central Time. So don't miss out on this amazing chance to win. Good luck everybody, and thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. I can't wait to see all your entries. Thank you. Happy crafting. Bye-bye.